Good morning, everyone. Today is the subject business study. We will learn internal trade. Uh, Today is the subject different form of retail trade. Actually, the types of retail trade. First, moving vendor are internet retailer, internet retailer. Second is fixed shop retailer. Third is small scale, then large scale, then miscellaneous. First is moving vendors. Actually, the moving vendors, peddlers and hawkers franchise. Second is street traders. The next is cheap jacks. The next is market traders. स्मॉल स्केल में फर्स्ट जनरल स्टोर्स, स्पेशलिटी स्टोर्स, देन स्ट्रीट स्टाइल्स एंड वन प्राइस शॉप, देन लार्ज स्केल डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर, सुपर बाजार, मल्टीपल स्टोर्स, मेल ऑर्डर्स बिजनेस, कोऑपरेटिव स्टोर्स, हायर परचेज शॉप्स, देन मिसलेनियस में टेली शॉपिंग एंड फ्रेंचाइज. फर्स्ट इज departmental stores. Meaning of departmental stores: a departmental stores is a large scale retail stores which compares a number of departments under a single roof, managed by a single controlling units. एक ही छत के नीचे जो बहुत सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स होते हैं. Each departments deal with one particular lines of producers as a cosmetic, electronics, general stores, etc. Actually, the departmental stores is also called pin to plain shop. Okay. Departmental stores organized at a pair France in the year 1852 as per the available information. Bon March and Lower are famous departmental stores. Gardly such stores was established Germany, England and USA. Characteristics of departmental stores. First is business under one roof. Departmental stores actually present under one roof and one ownership dealing in a particular line in product. एक ही ऑनर के नेतृत्व में जो है ये डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर्स होते हैं. वेराइटी ऑफ गुड्स. एक्चुअली डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर्स डील इन वेराइटी ऑफ गुड्स एंड departments dealing in a one line, one product. For example, electronics, ready-made garments, woodcraft, cosmetic, etc. Then next is large capital. Actually, departmental stores is a genetic structure required lot of space for in departmentals. Then next is management. Each department is separately management of a manager, but the whole department's store is controlled and governed by a board of directors. Then other service. It is provides certain service like parking facilities, internet, entertainment and refreshment to the customer. Then next characteristics is location. As per as possible, departmental stores are set up a centralized location for prime market area so that accessible to all. ज़्यादातर ये जो डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर्स होते हैं वो सेंट्रलाइज्ड एरिया में होते हैं. ओके. तो ये हमने आज देखा कि व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर्स एंड करेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर्स. थैंक यू.